In this video, you are going to see how to crop a picture with rounded corner in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us choose this picture from my computer. Click on Insert. Now click on the picture, go to Picture Format, go to Wrap Text, click on In Front of Text and you can move it. Now click on the picture, go to Crop to Shape and choose this option, Rectangle Rounded Corner. Now if you want to adjust it like this, again click on over here, click on Crop and you can crop it like this. And click on Outside and reduce its size, and this is looking perfect. If you want, you may add the picture border from here and you can give some shadow effect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.